All right, now that we finished contour drawing, we're going to move on to blind contour drawing. And blind contour drawing is very similar to contour drawing, except you're not looking at your paper at all. You're strictly focusing on what you see. Now, blind contour drawing, because you're not looking at your paper, is going to be a lot different and a lot crazier, which is good because you're training your eye to draw what it sees. So for this project, you're going to need a mirror and a pencil and a piece of paper. You're going to use the mirror to look at your face. And I know self-portraits are scary, and these are going to be crazy and funny, and that's okay. So what we're going to do for this project is we're going to draw ourselves twice. You're going to draw yourselves one time, and then you're going to turn your paper and you're going to draw yourself again. Now you want to make sure that you're looking in the mirror and not at your paper. So for this, I'm going to be looking at myself, and then you're going to be watching me draw. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through what I'm doing. I'm going to start at the top of my head, and I'm kind of going around my head, going around my hairline, and then I have like some bangs right here that I'm going to come back down. From here I see my ear, and I have an earring, and that's the inside of my ear. Then I'm looking at the side of my face, and I'm slowly going down to my chin, where I see I have like kind of this shape of a chin. All right, now I'm going to cut in, and I'm going to go to my mouth, and I'm going to see my mouth, and I'm going to draw my lips, and then I'm going to draw like I have a wrinkle on the side that's going to bring me up to my nose. There's my nostril, my other nostril, and then I'm going to come up the other side of my nose, which is going to bring me to my eye area. But first I'm going to draw my eyebrow, and then I'm going to take my eyebrow, and I'm going to come back down, and that's going to bring me to my eye. And then I'm going to draw my eye and my eyeball, and here is the colored part of my eye called the iris, and here is going to be my pupil. And again, I'm not picking up my pencil, I'm not looking at my paper. Here's some of my eyelashes on the top and the bottom. It's going to bring me to the other side of my head, and I'm going to draw back through my hair. I'm going to go up to the top of my head and come back down. And I just realized I haven't drawn my other eye yet, so I'm going to try to go back around to the other side. And again, I'm not looking at my paper, and I'm just going to draw my other eye, which feels like it would be right about here. And I'm kind of rushing through this so you can kind of get the idea of what you're going to be doing, but I really want you to take your time and go much slower than I am. Okay? And I'm going to go up through, and I'm going to grab my eyebrow. Okay, so as you can see, okay, this is hopefully not what I look like, but it is a great drawing, and it's really made me practice and focus on what I see instead of what I think I look like. So this is going to be the first step, and then all you're going to do from here is you're going to turn your paper and maybe draw here or here. Your paper is going to be a little bit larger than mine, so you're going to have more room, and then from there we're going to do some other finished detail work on it. But these are really great drawings. I absolutely love them, and they are fun and funny to do. All right, let's get started.